Howdy doody, partners. Right, quick pasta dish, really quick pasta dish. Spaghetti's already pretty much half cooked. In a pestle and mortar, or you can just put it all on a board and just chop the crap out of it all if you want. We're gonna make, we're gonna make spaghetti, an anchovy and garlic, a spicy anchovy spaghetti, essentially. So in a pestle and mortar, we're gonna put a couple of anchovy fillets, as well as a clove of garlic, as big or as little as you want, as much or as little. You can tailor the amount of garlic, how garlicky you want this is what I'm trying to get at. Make life a bit easier. Oh, I'm not apparently. I'm going there as well. And I'm just going to put in there a little sprinkle of about half a teaspoon maybe of fresh oregano and a pinch of crushed chili flakes. You can leave those out if you don't want it spicy. Where's my pestle? There it is. And you just want to crush this all together. You haven't got to make it utterly pureed. It's fine if there's a bit of texture there, but you do want to break. You don't want any big chunks of garlic, and you want the anchovy to have essentially dissolved. Well, not dissolved, but smushed well up. Technical term that. I'm only making this for one, so I only put the 2 anchovy fillets in. You can probably get away with a bit less of anchovy than that. It's just I quite like a bit of anchovy. In another pan, you could probably get away with doing this all in one pan if you were to drain that and then put the pasta back in there and do it all in that one pan. But I'm going to do it in another pan just to make my life a bit easier. Half decent glug of olive oil, and we're going to go in that pan with our toast, which is quite sticky. And we're also going to go in there with about a tablespoon of tomato puree. Not much. And we're just going to cook off that raw tomato-ness and the raw garlic. Wait, am I recording? Standard panic of having not pressed record. You don't want to fry the crap out of this. And if you don't like anchovy, just the garlic and the... You can make this without the anchovy, and obviously it's not going to be an anchovy pasta at that point, but it's still not bad actually. Perfect. Right, so ever so slightly al dente. I'm just going to go in there with that. You don't need to worry about it draining off too heavily, because we want some of that water in here. And you just want to stir to combine, really. Coat all that spaghetti in our anchovy tomatoey sauce. I'm going to give that a little splash more of pasta water just to loosen it up a little bit, make a little bit more, emulsify it out, just to loosen it down and make it a bit more saucy. Actually, I can do a little bit more. Right, now, so squeeze a lemon helps balance this out a little bit because it's quite heavy, but if you want to be a bit more indulgent, little little drizzle of balsamic vinegar just adds that acidity to cut through all the rich tomato and anchovy and all that sort of jazz. Put it with sides down, make sure you've got everything incorporated. And into a bowl we go. Give it a grate of parmesan, because it's a pasta dish, pretty much the law. And that is however long it took for that pasta to cook. Lunch, or bigger serving, I've got lunch for 2 here. Maybe, well, I've got a big serving for 1, a lunch serving for 2. But there you go. Beautiful, a little bit spicy, a little bit meaty, a little bit anchovy, like, because the anchovy doesn't, you can't really taste the anchovy, it just melts away and it just creates this umami, rich, savoury flavour. Get a photo for that, and that's that. Nice quick one for you. I think the camera's actually only been running, let's have a look. 9 minutes and 5 seconds, so definitely take you less than 10 minutes. Although that was already 5 minutes cooked. But yeah, alright then. Yeah, alright then people. You know the jazz. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Make this because it tastes gorgeous, if I say so myself. It takes 10-15 minutes, and other than that, I love yous and leave yous. Adios.